Hi everyone, I am Ofalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribe the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Today we have got the topic that is again about the degrees of adjective, and here we will be talking about two of your adjectives and their difference between the two. We have got the adjectives all and all. Clear that we will be talking about difference, and we will be talking that where you are going to use all and where you are going to use all. Number one, we have got that is known as all. All is used with both for number and quantity, with countable plural and uncountable nouns. Clear? Definitely all it is used for plural, means you can use all with countable and with uncountable both. And if you are using it with countable, that will be plural definitely, because you are talking about all, so that is making it plural. And next we have got also used for uncountable nouns, and we have got the second one, that is all is used with only and only for quantity or that thing which eyes can't cover. That can be a sites like visiting of cities, countries, world, or with uncountable nouns to mean entire or complete. All means entire or complete, and also eyes cannot cover. If I okay, we will be talking about the examples that will be more clear to you. Now see examples. I have met all my friends yesterday. All means for countable plural, all my friends yesterday. So this is the first example for adjective all. And all, over there we use it for a place where that cannot be covered with eyes, with naked eyes. Like I say, I have seen the all Europe. Now all Europe cannot be at once covered by my eyes, so there are a lot of countries. There are almost some 48 countries, so those I cannot be seen at once. So this is what, I have seen the all Europe. In all Europe, World War First, there was a huge war between the countries. So this is what, in all Europe. So you cannot cover it with your naked eyes at once. So for that you will be using all. In the same way, second example we have got, that is he drank all the milk. All the milk, that is, for uncountable. Now you are using it for uncountable. And second example for all, he drank all the milk. Now all the milk, that is what, for uncountable. So all the milk, both can be used. As I told you, all is used for countable and as well as for uncountable, and all is used which cannot be covered with naked eyes like places, and all can also be used for uncountable, and it is only and only used for uncountable. Last example for all the students had come today. Now we are talking about all students, that is again countable. All the team was weeping. Now this is, all the team, that cannot be seen at once. Someone was here and someone was there, that cannot be seen. So this is, today's topic, difference between all and all. And hope you got the both adjectives and their differences with examples. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.